Good morning, children. Today we will be continuing with our chapter 3 subtraction. In the last class we had already learned subtraction of 4-digit numbers with borrowing or regrouping. Today we will be learning checking subtraction with addition. To check subtraction, we have to add the difference to the subtrahend, and if the sum is equal to the minuend, then the subtraction is correct. Now here, first of all, we have to learn what is a minuend, subtrahend and difference. So let us learn what is a minuend. Minuend is a number to which another number has to be subtracted. Subtrahend is the number to be subtracted, and difference is the answer that we get. Now here, let us take an example. 6,122, that is our minuend, minus 5,258 is our subtrahend. Now we have to subtract. From 2 we cannot subtract 8, so we borrow from the tens place 1/10, so that is 12. So 12 minus 8 is 11, 10, 9, 8. We get 4. Now in the tens place it is 1, so we borrow from the hundreds place, we get 11. So 11 minus 5 is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. So the answer is 6. In the hundreds place we have a 0. From 0 we cannot minus 2, so we borrow from the thousands place, becomes 10. 10 minus 2 we get 8, and 5 minus 5 is 0. So the answer that we get is 864 is our difference. Now let us check up with addition. For addition we have to add the difference and the subtrahend. So here our difference is 864 and our subtrahend is 5,258. Now let us add. 4 plus 8 is 12. 6 plus 5 is 11, plus 1 is 12. 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11, and 5 plus 1 is 6. The answer that we get is 6,122, which was our minuend. So the sum of the difference and the subtrahend is equal to the minuend, thus the difference is correct. Now next we will be learning fill in the missing numbers. Firstly, we have to learn some formulas. Now here, difference is equal to minuend minus subtrahend. That is, when you find difference, you have to subtract minuend minus subtrahend. Next is, minuend is equal to difference plus subtrahend. When you have to find minuend, you have to add difference plus subtrahend. Next is, subtrahend is equal to minuend minus difference. That is, when you have to find subtrahend, we have to minus minuend minus difference. Children, kindly write down these formulas in your notebooks. Now children, based on these formulas, we will fill in the missing numbers. Now we take in the thousands place, there is a blank. Hundreds place 1. Tens place there is a blank, and ones place 6. Minus, in the thousands place we have 4. Hundreds place we have a blank. Tens place we have 1, and ones place we have 5. And in the difference we have already got the answer, that is 2,811. So now let us find out the missing numbers. In the first place that we are, in the ones place that we have already got, 6 minus 5 is 1. Now in the tens place we have to find out what is the minuend. Now what is the formula for minuend? Difference plus subtrahend. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So our answer in the tens place is 2. Now in the hundreds place we have to find out what is the subtrahend. Now for subtrahend what we have to do is minuend minus difference. Now here in the minuend we have 1, so we cannot subtract 1 from 8. So we have to borrow from the thousands place. But as we know, in the thousands place it is a blank. So we'll come to that later. We borrow 1/10 it becomes 11. 11 minus 8 is 10, 9 and 8. So that we get is 3. So the subtrahend in the hundreds place is 3. Now in the thousands place we have to find out what is the minimum. Now what is that formula for finding out minimum? It is difference plus subtrahend. So 2 plus 4 is 6. But how did we get this 6 here? When we already had borrowed a number from the thousand place and given it to the hundreds place, the number must have been 7. So we cut 7 and we put a 6 there. So 2 plus 4 is 6. And the answer in the thousands place, that is a minimum, is 7. Same way, let us take another example. In the thousands place we have 6. Hundreds place it's a blank. Tens place we have 3. Ones place again we have a blank. Minus thousands place we have a blank. Hundreds place we have 2. Tens place we have a blank. And ones place we have 7. The answer in the difference place we have 5181. So now in the first ones place we have to find out what is the minimum. Now to find out minimum, children, what we have to do? We have to add difference plus subtrahend. So 1 plus 7 is 8. So the answer in the ones place, that is in the minimum, is 8. Now in the tens place we have to find out what is the subtrahend. We have to subtract minimum minus difference. Now here minimum minus difference is 3 is given there. So now here from 3 we cannot subtract 8. So we borrow from the hundreds place. But hundreds place there is a blank. We come to it later. So we borrow 1 tenth, so it becomes 13. So 13 take away 8 is 12, 11, 10, 9 and 8. So answer in the subtrahend is 5. Now here we know there was a number from which we had borrowed 1 tenth. That is in the minimums place. So now when we find out what is a minimum, we have to add difference plus subtrahend. So that is 1 plus 2 is 3. But now we know that we had borrowed one number and we had given it to the tens place. So that number must have been a 4. So we put 4 there and cancel and we add a 3 there. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Now in the last column, that is in thousands place, we have to find out what is the subtrahend. The subtrahend is minimum minus difference. So now 6 minus 5 is 1. So the answer in the subtrahend is 1. So now we have got our answers as 4, 8, 1 and 5. Children, that's all for today. Worksheets will follow. Kindly complete the worksheets and meet you all soon. Bye.